you cannot get to an Igbo shop and you're asking for something and that person did not have, the person we have to wait is coming to get it at the other shop. That other shop is not his shop. That other shop is another person's shop, and when they do that, and if eventually you get to buy from that particular that item that the person wants to go and bring, it's actually drop shipping for another shop, because he is going to take the money back to the another shop. Already he has added his own profit, and that's what they do. Quickly, let me talk about doing drop shipping in the right way. Yeah, a lot of, we know what drop shipping is, right? I don't need to explain that anymore, but now it doesn't really work like that again. Now I just want to quickly tell you how you can still make drop shipping work. Yeah, so number one is, if at all you are going to do drop shipping, go to your nearest market, your nearby market, have a conversation with the sellers. See, have conversation with the sellers. Take the picture of the items that they have. Take the pictures of the items that they have. They should allow you, because even inside the market, these sellers, they do drop shipping. You cannot get to an Igbo shop and you're asking for something and that person did not have, the person we have to wait is coming to get it at the other shop. That other shop is not his shop. That other shop is another person's shop, and when they do that, and if eventually you get to buy from that particular that item that the person wants to go and bring, it's actually drop shipping for another shop, because he is going to take the money back to the another shop. Already he has added his own profit, and that's what they do in the market. So you as a drop shipper, you that just want to, maybe you don't have much for the business, just go to your nearest market. If you are closer to the market, take pictures of the items that you want to display for sales, and when you get buyers, all you need to do, even if you don't know whether that item is still available or not in that shop, if you get back to the market, you get another shop that still have the items. All you need to do, once you get a customer, do you have this? Yes, I do. No, just send the pictures of the one that you have, that they make their selection, and once they pay, you just go to the market, buy it, and do your way bill. This way is better. Is you have peace of mind, you have rest of mind that you are doing drop shipping, compared to having to send the seller him or herself, to help you do the way bill, and then eventually that seller may not even know. Market, I understand how market people works. These people, you think they have you in mind. Yes, they have you, because they have a lot of customers, suppliers to deal with every now and then. So their head is always full. So even though if you now send a seller, okay, this is also something, the person may not even remember, and just use their own packaging and the rest, and you know what that leads to. So the best way you can do drop shipping is what I have dropped. Another thing is, you can do a pre-order, just like the mini importation that you do pre-order, and then you have to be waiting for 2 weeks, 3 weeks before an item for. All you need to do is just to go to the main market where big suppliers are. You already have their contact, right? You already know. Even though if you don't have their contact, you just locate where these big markets are. Now the next thing you are going to do is do your normal way of doing pre-order. When do your normal way of doing pre-order with the items that you already know that you will see at that major market, that's importance market. Like for instance, if you are Lagos, if you are Lagos Island, right? So all you need to do is just take your do your pre-order. Okay, pre-order this week, pre-order this week, pre-order end start on Monday and end on Friday, and by the following week, probably midweek, you already get your product. You've gone to the market with the pre-order money, you've gone to the market, buy your items, and you start. By the end of the following week, they will get their items. This, to them, they will be thinking, oh, you just order, you just import directly from, from China, not knowing that you have your suppliers that already import the items. And guess what, it's less stressful, and you will still be getting a very reasonable, you will still be getting at very reasonable rates, yes, compared to you importing directly from China, and then all the back and front, this and that, changing prices and clearing and everything. So all you need to do is just take your pre-order. Is it 3 days? Is it 1 week pre-order you want to do that? Go to the market the following day, get your item, package it, and we bill it to your clients. I don't think anyone has ever thought or reasoned this way, or probably maybe this has been discussed in master classes you people attend. But these two ways is the only way you can start business without money or with little capital. When you want to start business like this, pre-order, importation, or drop shipping, these are the two best way you can start the business. And before you know it, I know someone that started this way. This second way, that goes to island to buy market, and within everything, every week you get your item, every week you order, you get your item within few days. Probably if you order, if the pre-order end on Friday, she goes to market on Saturday, do the packaging Sunday, Monday, before the next Friday you already get your item. And guess what, this lady started, that was during COVID era, because I once patronized her. I rant now, and right now our business has grew to the point that she has staffs. She has her own staffs. She has her own website. She's no longer doing the going. Of course, she goes to market, but the business structure changed. She has capital, and her life move, like the business grow. The business even grow better than those that have the full capital to start the business. So this is a sign for you that you can do it. If you are saying the pre-order has been, it's not like before, it doesn't used to be like before, try these two methods and come back to this video to say thank you.